What's up guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Oakley Holbrook RX eyeglasses. It's like the Oakley Holbrooks, but the RXable version, so there's just demo lenses in there. I have two different colors to show you. First we're going to unbox the polished white, polished clear. So inside you're going to get the very standard Oakley warranty booklet. It's gonna come with the hard Oakley black case. Very sturdy. Inside you're gonna get your frames with the cloth pouch case. It's a very nice clear frame, and the sides are going to be like this transparent gray. And then the icons on the side is going to be a silver. So being the RX, it's very like the sunglasses, but without the lenses. It's just demo lenses, so you can't wear these. Like, these are demo lenses. You should replace it with your prescription or get custom colored lenses in there. The choices are endless. The frames are made in China, like pretty much every single Oakley RX now. So on the left it's going to have the model information. For this, the Holbrook RX, the model number is OX8156. The color code for the polished clear is 03. This one comes in two different sizes. There's a 54 and a 56. This is the 56, so it's the larger size. So with the measurement, for this one, it's the 56mm lens width, 18mm bridge width, 137mm temple length, and it's going to be 43.3mm lens height. So it is extremely lightweight. I guess this material would be the O matter. Oh, it's just plastic. Alright, let me show you the other color. The other one is the 01 color code. This one is in the 54 size, so it's a smaller size. So this is a satin black, so it's a matte black. And the icons on the side and the metal, these pieces here, it's actually not metal, it's just plastic made to look like metal, I think. It's silver. There is no spring hinge. It does bend out a little bit, but not too much. So it is extremely lightweight. I mean, to me, it feels pretty cheap, but it is very cheap. It's probably one of the cheapest Oakleys there is. It retails for $133, so it's on the low end. So you're mainly going to be paying for the brand name and the Holbrook look. Like, if you have the Holbrook already and want to get RX, or do something unique with it, I think it's for those kind of people. So to compare the size, it's gonna be, so this one is the smaller size, this is the bigger size. So with the 54 size, I would say this is a medium. The 56 is going on to large. It's not quite big, but it's on the larger side. So if you have a medium large head, we'll get this one. If you have a medium, a regular, I would choose this one. Unfortunately, there's no small size. This might work for small faces, the medium, but it might be a little bit too big. So there's very few differences. It's only going to be the lens width, which is going to be a difference of 2mm each. So it's going to be 4mm wider. And then the lens height is just going to be, this one's just a 0.3mm larger. So not a huge difference. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Alright, thank you. I'll see you guys next time.